SGX Nifty is indicating a positive start of a gain of more than 95 points now in the trading today. Now, yesterday I had made a video about much before close of trading when things were falling apart and very negative day it was. I had mentioned that the afternoon session today after 120 will be very positive and a sharp gain I saw. But I have not seen this gain in the early part of the session, in the morning session. So naturally there are questions now, and frankly so. And I've been extremely honest to all my viewers. People who have watched me for so many years, they know that I never change my stand, and I still hold my stand. I feel that the morning session will not be as positive as this SGX Nifty is indicating 95 points plus. To the best of my analysis, if I'm right, and I always have some contrarian views. I also get a lot of flack for that, but that's okay. But as far as my analysis is concerned, I still feel that the morning session will be a rather difficult session. I know this is completely, somebody say, are you crazy? What are you saying? But 95 points plus, meaning almost 300 points plus in the Sensex. But I feel that as trading commences, you will find a substantial portion of these gains evaporate. Would not be surprised to even see some red. And this will be the nature of the trading that we will be seeing today. And morning session I still feel will be much weaker than what the SGX Nifty is indicating. As I mentioned, good chance it may even dip into the red. However, I'm expecting a very, very strong second half of the day, and this is where my emphasis is. 120 post, you will see a very strong rally in the Nifty, and would not be surprised to see 100 to 150 points plus. Now, a lot of people, a lot of these people try to twist my comments. I was talking about the period 120 onwards, okay? From there onwards, you will see a positive, very sharp run up in the stock markets. And morning session, not as strong as SGX Nifty is indicating. Yes, if somebody will say, sir, you said so yesterday. In fact, I would expect that substantial portion of these gains may even disappear, and Nifty may even dip into the red in the morning session. If it doesn't happen, that's fine. Now, the reason for all this to happen is that the MPCC minutes of the Reserve Bank of India, Monetary Policy Committee minutes that were released, shows that they are a little worried about persistent and consistent inflation. And they believe that a weakness, they will continue to be accommodative in their policy stance, but they believe that they are a little worried about the consistency in the inflation data that they are reading in front of themselves, which means there could be a hardening of the bond yields. And whenever the bond yields harden, you will find that the banking stocks can get a hit. So normally, one would imagine that a bank Nifty can also suffer in the early session. Now, I'm not saying that this is going to be a big cut, but definitely these MPCC minutes indicates that there could be mark-to-market losses for the public sector banks which are holding a lot of government bonds. So be careful. The reaction can come in the morning session. This is my hypothesis as to how the trading will play out. But after 120, I believe the story can change substantially. Markets can rally nicely thereafter. So some weakness, I still hold my stand. I never change my stand. Fine. If the market shoots up, there is short covering, that's okay. But my analysis still says that substantial portion of the gains, even if I receive flags, I receive so many, I always will remain true to my statement, whether I'm there or not. And one more thing before I close, extremely unhappy with the way this country is running. Unity in India is only on the cricket field. That's what. And that's why I don't now care much about cricket either. You look outside the cricket field, Pradhan Mantri is talking about Atmanirbhar Bharat. Fantastic, very nice ideas, and this growth of infrastructure. If I was a prime minister, the first thing I would now do is that there should be a good amount of ethics. Ethics code is lacking. Every field has got a problem. Look at the medical field. The medical treatment you're getting, you're not sure whether that you really need or it's just coming. And I know I'm making certain controversial statements, but I'm just telling the truth. I've always been that way. Any field you see, the goods that you're supplying, not of perfect quality. Services people are not true. Stock broking community, look at the things. They're just trying to cover up things and acts, and so that small investor can get into squeezed, and the big person can make money. This is how the entire general mentality is turning. My request to everybody: take an ethics pledge. Write to me, WhatsApp me 9820861044. I understand a lot of people want to be part of the Art of Investing program, and a lot of people have written to us. But I'm sorry, but all the questions will be answered by this weekend to everybody. About when they can join, and everything, we'll address everything by this weekend. Sorry, there was we were doing research into the next week because I have to give out a video for the forecast for next week. But all the queries 100% will solve by within the next day or two, hopefully today or latest by this weekend. Everything will be resolved. But take an ethics pledge. If you can, do me just one favor. I know I may be asking a little too much, but that's all I'm requesting. Ethics in every way, in your personal relationships with your whoever you have close to you, your parents, your wife, your grandparents, brothers, sisters. Please live ethically. I see a severe deficiency in ethics in India, and I'm extremely sorry to say that if this is the way this country functions, we have a very big problem. Don't hurt each other. Don't use any words, any language, or any action which can cause hurt to anybody. This is my humble request to you. People are writing to me about the Art of Investing, but I am requesting everybody, please adopt ethical attitudes. So back to the Nifty, for which most people, but if I can help in inculcating some values. I think weakness in the first half, sharp rally after 120. I still hold my same view, no change. This was the forecast I made last Friday also. This Friday is coming. I still hold my same view. Happy investing. Take care. Bye bye.